Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Erin and today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing here. I have a mystery box from Odens. They came out with these not too long ago and I was excited to go ahead and purchase one of these because I tried out Odens for the first time, I think last month or the month before that, when they had their Norns collection come out. Tried two of the palettes and a lipstick. Loved all the products, thought they were really good. And so I was super excited when they said they were coming out with mystery boxes and they were going to be putting in some of their other products that they have in their line, because I don't own that much from the brand. I thought this would be a perfect opportunity for me to get some more stuff from the brand and try out some more of their products. So I have the box. They had different sizes. I think I got the small one. So, and it was a very affordable price. And I think you're going to get more value out of the products than what you paid for. You get what I'm saying? So I'm super excited to see what's in here. And this is kind of like, this is almost like Christmas. You know what you're going to be getting, which is one of the reasons why I love BoxyCharm as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing what's in my mystery box from Odens then just keep on watching. Before we get into the video, if you like channels that talk about makeup and movies, this is the channel for you. Definitely think about subscribing down below. I do makeup review videos, rankings, and product reviews. I also do movie rankings as well as first time watches to movies I've never seen. So if either of those two topics interest you, definitely think about subscribing down below and hit the like button for this video to support. I would appreciate it so much if you hit the like button because it helps get my video out there, helps with the algorithm, all that good stuff. But anyways, let's hop into it. So my box came in this really cute like baby pink. It's super duper cute. It came in another box. It was packed in. I already opened that box up, but I haven't opened this up at all. I don't know what's in here, so I'm super excited about this. So let's open it up. All right, you guys, my box I got was the smaller one and it was $25. I think the thing that is good about mystery boxes is if you don't own a lot from the brand already, then it's a good way to get more stuff from the brand, especially if you don't own a lot of the products, like how I said I didn't own a lot of Odens and plus they said they were excluding the Norns collection, which is the newest collection, which is the only collection I do own. So I was like, that's perfect because that way I won't be getting repeat items. So that's perfect. All right, it's wrapped up with bubble wrap, really nicely secured. Let's hop in. Okay, so here's the first item I just saw. It is the Alba Odens matte lip stain. Okay, that's awesome. So I don't have any of their matte lip stain. I have a cream lip stain, so I know for sure I don't have this one because I don't have this formula. Or this, I know I don't have this color because I don't even have this formula. So I'm just gonna open it up. The box is super duper cute. I love the design on the box. It's really cute. And then it is in the shade Apricot Girl. Okay, so that's cute. If I can open it up. Is it taped? Let's see if I can open it from this side. Okay, there we go. And I love their packaging for their lipsticks as well. Super duper cute. Got the reflective design there. Always smell. And there's the color. That's a perfect color for me. I love that color. It's almost like a, oh, that's pretty. Kind of mauve-y, almost leaning berry with hints of red in there as well. Super cute. So excited for that. I've never tried their matte formula, so I'm excited to try that. And I know that there are people that have been saying that, at least on YouTube, have said that the formula is nice. So there we go. I don't own a lot of matte lipsticks either because although matte lipsticks are not my favorite, I think it would be nice to wear under a mask since it won't come off that easy. Next, I got a brush. Awesome. Never have too many brushes. Feels nice. It has the pink kind of matching the box a bit. And it says Odens on it. Okay, that's awesome. Always could use another brush. I'm actually looking to try to get some, invest in some other more, what am I trying to say? Like invest in some better brushes, better quality brushes. I like the brushes I have, and I think some of the brushes I have that are drugstore are really good, but I want to invest in some other brushes as well. All right, this is the last item in the box. And okay, awesome. We got an eyeshadow palette here. This is the Freya palette. I think I'm saying that right. Look at the packaging there. They always nail it with their packaging, and this is a Swedish brand, I'm pretty sure, so that's awesome. I think their the branding of the company is really, really cute, and I love the palette designs, and the color stories of their palettes are always usually really, really cute. So closer look at the palette. Super cute. It's got that gold reflectiveness that I see in the other products as well. I wonder if these are all from the similar collection. Okay, opening it up. Ooh, nice touch here to the palette. And this color story, yeah, I knew it was this one. It has more neutral tones in here, and then also like some pinks, a little bit of orange. Really, really cute. Perfect for my collection. And I really do, at least from the two palettes I've tried for them, I really like their formula. So if it's the same formula in here, I know I'm going to like this palette. So, oh yeah, looks really pretty. Just swatch a couple of the shades. I'm going to swatch a matte and a shimmer. Oh yeah, that's more of like, ooh, that's so pretty. That's like a more translucent, just shimmery shade. And then there's one of the mattes. That's, yeah. Really, it seems like it's the same good formula. So I'm super excited about that. So I can't wait to try that out. And it has a 36-month lifespan. Nice. All the ingredients are on there. Okay, I'm super excited about that as well, you guys. All right, you guys, that's pretty much it for the video. I got those 3 products. I'm super excited about those products because all of those seem like that's a really good value for what I paid, only $25. Or 25 euros, maybe it was. Maybe 25 euros, but very good value. 3 good products I'm pretty sure I'm going to love. I'm excited about the brush as well because I've been thinking about getting into some more brushes. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, like I said, think about giving it a thumbs up. And alright, you guys, that's pretty much it for the video. I got these 3 products that I'm super excited about. I want to try these out. They look really beautiful. I'm excited about the brush because I've been thinking about getting more brushes. The lip stain or the lipstick as well, and the palette is a cute color story. And just from the swatches, I can tell I'm gonna love the formula. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Think about hitting the like button and subscribing, or hit the like button. You know, you're already here, you watched the video, right? Hit the like button if you like the video, and subscribe down below if you want to see more content like this. So I will check you guys out in the next video. Stay safe. Adios.